press events. CONEXPO-CON AGG featured an entire press day on Monday, the day before the formal opening. We were able to capture a few of the events. First, we captured Moog Construction's event featuring their Adaptive Electrification Management System, AIMS. Moog is a motion control company, provides electrification solutions for heavy vehicles aiming to improve motion control systems. Moog technology enables any manufacturer to use any type of electric solution they would like. Their design is focused on improving simplification through design and reducing costs. The result is a modular solution that achieves remote diagnostics and over-the-air updates. If someone can physically replace a module, over-the-air capabilities flash the module to act like it should in that specific system. The solution is targeted at 6 to 25-ton compact loaders and excavators. The right to repair is alive and well in Europe, but that is not the only thing that has come to life. Galli USA solution focuses on the ability to maintain and repair a fleet of heavy equipment across manufacturers, bringing telematics that can act enabling not just predictive maintenance, but remote maintenance is also realized. The equipment leveraged in construction and agriculture are rather expensive. Even small tools are highly expensive and can be quite costly if lost or stolen. Samsara Asset Tags leverages industrial strength Bluetooth to help increase your chances of recovery. Each asset added to the network adds to the network's density in tracking other assets. The network is connected to an in-building network for asset tracking, thus covering all highways and major commercial buildings across major geographies. CONEXPO-CON AGG saw the announcement of the arrival of twins. Mack Trucks press event announced the updating of their very popular Granite model of Mack Trucks. The MP13, a 13-liter engine in the Granite, now has 540 horsepower and a whopping 1950 torque. The second announcement was that their very popular Pinnacle model was being replaced with the Keystone. The Keystone includes everything the Pinnacle model included, plus additional chassis and sleeper options. Welcome to Conference Whispers, CONEXPO-CON AGG 2026, Video Edition. I'm Dr. Doreen Galli, Chief of Research at TBW Advisors, LLC. The answer is always in the Whispers. Join the Whisper Club today for advanced and exclusive access to Whisper reports. Exhibits. Beyond the press events, exhibits are always massive and physically impressive at CONEXPO-CON AGG. John Deere didn't just bring the equipment, but wanted to make sure you know they support the entire life cycle. Specifically, John Deere highlighted its connected support and the massive span of maintenance it represents to the customers. Bobcat introduced their Rogue X3 concept machine, which is electric, autonomous, and modular, leveraging Moog's electrification technology from the aforementioned press event. For those seeking brand agnostic, machine agnostic, roof-mounted automation, C&F, more commonly known simply as CASE, shared their patented adaptable solution. Komatsu burst into Expo Hall with 7 brand new models across their lines. Pirok not only shared their machines and automation, but also their customers' appreciated span of service offering. Hyundai had a detailed display highlighting their leaps forward in advanced telematics, improving reliability. Sometimes it's not about the machine as much as it is about the components. Does your excavator or loader need a new bucket? Weir Group's ESCO division exhibited their innovative buckets optimized for safety, durability, and performance. If your reason for hesitation in upgrading is moving your older assets off the books, have no fear. Ritchie Brothers specializes in rotating equipment, so you are free to upgrade your equipment today. For OEMs, original equipment manufacturers, in construction and agricultural equipment, seeking to automate and optimize their equipment, MOBA Automation was hoping to speak with you. If you are an OEM and really want to connect your physical equipment with the digital world, Trimble bridges the divide. Their massive booth highlighted their hardware, software, and services positioning, modeling, analytics, and connectivity. Of course, predictive maintenance, remote maintenance, automation, and all of these advanced capabilities that shine brightest are only possible if the OEM installed the right sensors. To that end, sensor manufacturers were also on site, such as Seco, featuring location sensors. These location sensors can ensure you are never lost, even if GPS is denied in your location. Conference Vibe. After 66 videos, 3 live streams, and over 2 dozen fact checks, our coverage of CONEXPO-CON 2026 closes. CONEXPO-CON welcomed over 140,000 construction professionals from 128 countries. CONEXPO-CON occurs every 3 years in Las Vegas Convention Center, the only convention center built strong enough to be able to house heavy equipment indoors. Featuring over 2,000 exhibitors, the event spanned over 3 million square feet of exhibit space. The massive event spanned every inch of the Las Vegas Convention Center, including exhibits in all lots. The massive new lot in front of Fontainebleau, which is the current Diamond Lot. The Diamond Lot featured next-generation job site solutions, including attached robotic systems. The traditional Silver Lot featured demonstrations for brands. West Hall was the hub for smart construction technology and interactive workflow solutions with over 40 machines and 20 brand new models featured. North Hall focused on operational innovations. Central Hall was very concrete and asphalt centric, including mixing equipment. Both South Upper and Lower were leveraged for this event. South Upper was the prominent exhibit area for power equipment, including electrified engines. South Hall featured the ultimate in large-scale equipment. As is customary, food was available throughout the convention center, with all the normal Las Vegas Convention Center eateries open and ready to serve, including the major food courts of West Hall and North Central Hall Lobby Food Court. Transportation options included shuttles, buses, and of course, the famous Vegas Loop, connecting South, Central, and West Halls. We once again live streamed from on site on Media Day Monday, letting you know we were on the ground covering the event. Tuesday, we shared the excitement of exhibits officially opening. And Wednesday, specifically, I requested assistance on your favorite videos for my segment on the March 6th broadcast edition of Computer Talk Radio. We concluded research for 12 additional forthcoming Whisper reports for our clients. The reports spanned research to improvements to job site output, automation, uptime, telematics, innovations in safety, and those affecting the labor gap issue. The playlists are unlisted but available, with the video to be distributed via YouTube Whisper Club, upper tier membership area on our YouTube channel. Whisper Report. What job site tech boosts output most today? Number 2. Whisper Report. Where does machine automation still fail? Number 3. Whisper Report. What drains your fleet uptime the fastest? And number 4. Whisper Report. Which telematics data do you trust least? Number 5. Whisper Report. Which safety risk tech still can't catch? Number 6. Whisper Report. How big is the labor gap hitting your jobs? Readers and viewers wishing to experience the entire event are encouraged to view the Conference Whispers CONEXPO-CON 2026 playlist in its entirety. The playlist will be cited in the end screen, description and as a pinned comment in the video edition. The video edition will conclude with gratitude towards those that contributed and a montage of the response to the bonus question, what's the best part about attending CONEXPO-CON AGG 2026 live in Las Vegas? Next year's conference. The event is held every 3 years. The dates for CONEXPO-CON AGG 2029 are March 13th to the 17th. This has been Conference Whispers CONEXPO-CON AGG 2026. The answer is always in the whispers. Don't forget to tell your colleagues about the Whisper Club for advanced and exclusive access to Whisper reports.
Nate Keller, Mo Construction. Best part about ConExpo is seeing all the big toys.
This is Joel Honeyman. I'm the Global Head of Innovation here at Doosan Bobcat. And the best part of ConExpo is just seeing all the new stuff. Everything is new here. It's once every 3 years. This is the biggest sandbox for kids to play with construction equipment in. It is the coolest place to be right here in Vegas.
I'm Christopher Summer with Mobile Automation, and the best part about coming to ConExpo in Las Vegas is just the mass amount of people that we get to see and interact with and show off our great technology and solutions.
Nate Jones with the Weir Group, ESCO division, and we love coming to Vegas with ESCO and Weir. We've been coming here for many, many years. We love meeting our customers. We love showing off our new technology and our new product that we're releasing for the market. And we just love that everyone's coming together and trying to find new technology to make their operations better, safer, and more productive.
Hi, Carlos Phelan with Hyundai. What I like about ConExpo is the ability to see people, meet people who are interested in our product, but specifically, particularly, seeing where we are within the market, in the industry, as far as technology, as far as product, as far as presence. And I like to see where other people are at the same time.
Maya Popova, I'm the product manager for automation with Epiroc Surface Division, responsible for our remote and autonomous operations. So for me personally, attending ConExpo was a great experience and exposure to the major industry players. But also for us as the company, it was a great milestone to be able to provide the experience of fully autonomous drilling operations to our customers in live, real time. We could operate the fully autonomous Smart Rock D65 that is located in Richmond, Virginia, which is over 2,400 miles away from this booth. And it's a great experience for us, for our team, and also for our customers.
Hey everybody, I'm Robert Hussey, a product manager here at Komatsu, and I'd like to welcome you to ConExpo 2026. Komatsu is so excited to be here showcasing our most recent advancements in technology and the fact that we have 6 products making their global debut here in Las Vegas right now.
Kevin Scotis, CNH, and the best part about ConExpo in Vegas is seeing all the new stuff that's being launched.
I'm Eric Krim with Trimble. Really excited here to be at ConExpo 2026. Really got a good chance to come out and meet a lot of customers and a lot of new opportunities for us. I'm really excited to come out and meet you.
I'm Nicolas Legrand, working for John Deere, and I'm very pleased to be at ConExpo, which is the biggest American show for construction equipment.
Adam Lawrence from Ritchie Brothers. The best part about coming to ConExpo in Vegas is you just get to see a little bit of everything in the industry. So you get to see the new equipment, the new technology, the new software, all in the matter of 1 week. So it's kind of compressed learning on that side.
Hi, my name's Connor Furyk. I work for the company Seco Products, and my favorite thing about coming to Las Vegas is the nice weather, because I'm from Wisconsin, and right now it's snowing.
All right, so my name is Bruno Garamorda. I am with Galli USA, and the best part of being here at ConEx in Las Vegas is getting to see everybody, these massive machines, and being able to network with industry friends and meet new ones. Networking is always great about it here.